Welcome to PSR Brothers. This is Nitya here. In today's episode, we are going to see again a beautiful super soft cotton materials. It's going to be different varieties. One will be a Malai cotton, one is going to be a Bandhani, and one is going to be a lovely indigo cotton saris. All indigo prints, all in Malmal material. Very different and beautiful designs. Super soft materials, and all these saris what we are going to show you today are without starch. If you need mild stiffness, you can use a starch, otherwise you can just wear it that way. It's a very nice material. Before seeing the saris, please do subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get regular notifications. To purchase the sari, take a screenshot and send us to the number 93848 I repeat, the number is 93848 Come on, let's start seeing the saris now. It's a pretty Malmal cotton sari, very pretty design, and it's going to be all indigo prints. Very different design in the indigo prints we are going to see today. Very lovely design. It's a mango motif design running along the body of the sari, a pretty design. And this is the pallu of the sari, and a very class blouse for this sari in pink. And the price of the sari is 790. In the indigo prints, we have some lovely designs and very pretty designs and different patterns which I'm going to show you today. This is a floral pattern design, beautiful pattern. Yeah, this is the body of the sari. This is going to be the body of the sari. It looks really classy and very pretty one. And this is the pallu of the sari, a pretty pallu. And the blouse of the sari is going to be this, a design blouse, and the price of the sari is 790. The next design in the same Malmal cotton. All I'm going to show you is going to be indigo prints today in Malmal material. Very super soft material all these are, but the designs are going to be different designs. This is a Bandhani design, a pretty one. This is the body of the sari, looks really class. And this is the pallu of the sari, pretty one. And for all this, you will have a beautiful contrast blouse. This is the blouse of the sari, and the price of the sari is 790. The next design is going to be a ikat pattern design in the same Malmal material. A pretty indigo and a red combination. This is the body of the sari, very classy one. And this is the pallu of the sari, a pretty design. And the blouse is a very different blouse. This is the blouse of the sari, and the price of the sari is 790. The next is a cute zigzag pattern, very different design. This is the body of the sari, beautiful one. And this is the pallu of the sari, and the blouse of the sari is polka dots one, a small polka dots in white and blue combination, different pattern, different designs. So this is the body of the sari, and the price of the sari is 790. The next is a white, indigo and red color combination, floral pattern. This is the body of the sari, a very nice simple designs all these are, but looks really classy. This is the body of the sari, and it's a simple small pallu, and the blouse is going to be a different blouse. And the blouse of the sari is this, a contrast red color blouse in that ikat design, and the price of the sari is 790. The next is a small floral print. This is the body of the sari, a beautiful floral print, nice design. And this is the pallu of the sari, a pretty pallu. And the blouse is again a very different blouse. It's this, a lined blouse, and the price of the sari is 790. The next is going to be white with blue, a zigzag pattern. Very pretty class pieces these are, to look really rich when you wear this. This is the body of the sari, and it's a continuous pallu. You don't have a separate pallu for this sari. And the blouse of the sari is this, and the body is actually a half and half design. That is, the bottom part is going to be a plain one, and the top part is going to be a zigzag pattern like this. Very different one, half and half material, and the blouse is going to be in contrast. This is the blouse of the sari, and the price of the sari is 790. The next sari is this. This is again an indigo print. A simple neat floral pattern, very pretty one. And this is the pallu of the sari, a beautiful pallu, and the blouse of the sari is in ikat pattern, different design, and the price of the sari is 790. The next is again very neat, simple, cute patterns of manga page design in the body, and small leafy pattern designs, different ones. And this is the pallu of the sari, and the blouse of the sari is this, a simple neat design, leafy pattern design, and the price of the sari is 790. The next is this. The body of the sari is this, a white and a blue indigo combination, and the borders are all stripes pattern. These are all more of a geometric pins, which looks really different when you wear. And the blouse is in contrast, plain black. And the pallu of the sari is this. This is the pallu of the sari. It's going to look like this, nice one. And the pallu of the sari is this, a pretty design, and the price of the sari is 790. The last pattern in the same indigo prints, a small checks pattern design. All the designs are in a geometric pattern. In the checks boxes you have different pattern of designs, very pretty design, different pattern. It will look really different when you wear these saris. And this is the pallu of the sari, and the blouse of the sari is this, a ikat pattern type, and the price of the sari is 790. This is a very super soft material cotton sari, very nice material, and the crackle pattern batik. This is a very different design, a crackle, and it's even called as marble pattern design batik. Both the sides we have a lovely contrast dark brown color border. On the body it's a nice dark khaki color, to be exactly to say. The color is more of a dark khaki color, and the contrast border. And the pallu of the sari is this, and the blouse is again going to be a contrast blouse. This is the blouse of the sari, and the price of the sari is 650. We have some beautiful color combinations in this pattern. I'll show you the color combinations. It will look really nice. This is going to be a sapphire green with a navy blue combination. I'll not open all and show the pallus because it's all going to be more identical in all the saris. This is the body of the sari. The crackle pattern is in sapphire green with a navy blue combination, and the pallu is going to be in navy blue, and the blouse will be in navy blue again, contrast ones. The next color combination is going to be a pink with a navy blue. A lovely beautiful design, beautiful color combinations actually, very pretty one. A lovely design, pink with navy blue. The next is going to be a lovely rust, or slightly a dark orange or a light rust, that kind of a shade. In that a dark maroon color contrast border. Same pattern, same crackle pattern batik, and the price of the sari is all 650. And in these saris the blouse is running, so if somebody doesn't want the blouse, they can just wear that with the sari itself. That is possible. This is again a very different shade, a light kavi color shade, more of a light kavi with a beautiful red color combination. Look really different a combination. Same crackle batik. The next is going to be a light chocolate brown with a dark maroon color combination, or a dark brown color combination crackle batik. Pretty design, lovely color combination, very nice one. The next is going to be another lovely color combination, purple with a navy blue, a lovely purple with a lovely navy blue. Very different color combinations and nice patterns, looks really classy when you wear. and very ideal for the summer. They are just super soft materials. The next color combination is a very pretty mehendi green with a dark green combination. So this is the body of the sari, a pretty color combination. The next is going to be a beautiful mustard with a maroon, a very lovely color combination. Looks really a class piece and a very different combination. So the combination by itself makes the sari look rich. This is a red with a maroon, again a pretty color combination, a very pretty one, lovely design, and the price of the sari is 650. It's a beautiful soft Malai cotton sari, very super soft material. This sari is without blouse and a beautiful Lehariya pattern design. Both the sides of the border we have a bandhani pattern, and on the body it's a beautiful Lehariya design. This usually you get only in chiffon material, but this time it has come in soft cotton. Very pretty design, and this is the pallu of the sari, and the body is this, and we don't have blouse for this sari, and the price of this sari is 550. We have some lovely 4 colors in this. I'll show you all the 4 colors. The first was a red, and the second is a light green and white color design, and the border is in beautiful bandhani red and green combination, pretty pattern. The next is a light orange. It's more of a peachish pinkish orange, that kind of a color, or tomato pink than to be perfect. And the border is in beautiful purple color and the pink combination, very pretty color, lovely design, and the Lehariya is just looking very pretty and trendy. And this is a blue, more of a indigo blue, and a pink combination, bandhani design, pretty color combination. This is the beautiful design, and the price of the sari is 550. Thanks for watching the video. I'm sure you'd have liked the beautiful soft cotton material saris today, which you have seen in today's video. They are all really ideal for this summer. To purchase these saris, take a screenshot and send us to the number 93848 51299. Thanks for watching the video. Bye bye.